Hello guys, welcome to another amazing video. Now in this section, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the market structure strategy to catch reversals in the market and make massive profit. Now let's go straight into the chart while I illustrate to you guys how it looks like, right? Using a line illustration before I go straight into the chart and show you guys on the candlestick, right? Now you see something like this happening in the market, price making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Now all of a sudden, price takes out the previous high that led to this break of structure, right? Right, and does something like this, retraces it down a little bit into the other block, and then off it goes. What happened here? You can see that price was coming down. This is a trend, a bear trend, right? The market was coming down, right? Making what? Lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low. If you notice, none of this, when this market was coming down, it never went back to take out this previous high. It broke structure. It never went back to take out this previous high. It broke another structure. This is breaking structure to the downside. But all of a sudden, this particular candle went up, took out this high that led to the previous break of structure. The moment you see this, you know that this market has what? Changed character, and the market wants to reverse. All you need to do now is to wait for a retracement back into the other block. Then you take this market to the upside. Now let me show you guys how it looks like on the chart. You can see that this market has been coming down. You go to the weekly time frame, you can see that this market has been on a bear trend, right? Even to the daily, you can see how this market has been falling. You can see how this market has been falling. Now, how do you know when this market wants to reverse? How do you know when the market wants to reverse and start going up? As I'm talking to you now, this market is fully ready to pump and is fully ready to go up. How do you know that? You go to the lower time frame. You look for your market structure strategy, the one I just illustrated. Now, if you look very well, you see that this market has been coming down, breaking structure to the downside, as I just showed you guys using that illustration. Now, this market this is a break of structure. You can see here, this is a break of structure. This is another this is lower highs, lower low. This is another break of structure. You can see, this is another break of structure. This is another break of structure. This is another break of structure. Now, but what do you notice here? You can see that when this market has been breaking structure without going up to take out the previous high that led to the break of structure, right? Now, what do you notice here? This is another break of structure that happened right here. This is another break of structure that happened right here. You can see. You can see now. This is another break of structure. Now, this is a break of structure, right? When this price was going up, it never went back to take out this high that led to the break of structure. Rather, it came back down to break another structure. It never went back up to take out this high. Rather, it came back down to break another structure. That is how it continued, making lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low. You can see this point where market broke this structure, right? It never went up to take out this high. What happened? It reached here and what? And trade down again and broke this structure right here, right? But what happened after it did this, after it broke this structure? One would think that probably if you come around this area without taking out this high, right? To come around this area and continue. But what happened? It was a change of character occurred. This is called a change of character. This is the point where you now know, right, the market wants to reverse. This is a break of structure. This is a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure. EOS. And this is what? A change of character. This is a change of character. This is what happened. Now, this is the market structure strategy. The moment you see this, all you need to do now is to wait for the retracement. This is where the retracement happened, right? This is where the word retracement happened. It retraces back into this zone, this demand zone right here, that led to the what? To the change of character. This is a demand zone, or you can call it an order block, right? Now, all you need to do now is to take out your long position, enter this trade, put your stop loss just below the low of what? The previous low of the break of structure, and what? And drive this market up the way, up, right? This is how to use the market structure strategy to catch massive trades that will give you massive profit. Hope you guys find value in this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. One love, peace out.